Alright, what's up guys, Roy Video Edits here. Today back with a new challenge. We're gonna turn this picture into this. It's quite goofy looking, quite weird and everything, but for some videos it might be working well and I don't know, you might like it, so let me just do a little tutorial on it. So first we start by taking the picture and we want to match the road of the picture. So what we do, we make a very wide composition and we make a long stroke of road and we put some road lines on there. This we extend by the Reptile tool. You can download loads of textures on Pexels or Google or wherever you want really. And then we funk around a little bit with the opacity, also with the layer styles. Maybe on the white one we use the same thing, so we use the little stroke. Then we put it in this footage, and as you can see we're putting it in 3D and we're matching it with the original road. So it's a little bit of tweaking and everything, but once you got it right it will work quite cool, hopefully. Honestly, before I started this challenge I didn't even know if it was gonna work properly, so I'm also quite lucky. Say here we need to use the Reptile again because the road, it's gonna be moving quite a lot, so we use the Reptile tool to make the road longer and longer in the 3D space. And then what we do, as you see, we put 2 key points there and we place the position from the front all the way to the back. We add some bushes on the side right now. I do it very basic, as you can see in this video, but it's just for the educational purpose. So now we attach it to the road. As you see, it works. Reptile again, and then rotate it in 3D. Whoop, put it on the side. Yes, perfect. Another one. Don't forget to link it and make the color nice again. Make the road a bit darker as well. See, that works a little bit already. And then what we want to do is we want to cut out the car, because we're going to use the same car. And honestly, you should make a video of this car by its own as well and have the environment moving on this car. But right now I don't have time for that. This will take me like another half an hour and I'm about to do another job for a client. So, but that maybe in the next video I will explain how, although it's pretty damn simple. You just have to layer the car before you add it into this footage with the footage that we are making right now. And yeah, then it will work kind of in a way. Anyway, now we're scaling it, putting it in 3D as well. We just put this car in 3D, and as you see it's a bit rotated. We need to rotate it a bit back maybe. We will do that in a moment. Rotate. Also tweaking around with the camera here, the 3D camera, so that we're gonna have a nice motion in this video. And as you can see, it's a 2D picture of the car, so it's never gonna look as great as 3D, but that's exactly what this style is about. It's just randomness. And again, if you have any questions about how this all works, if it's going too fast for you, if you're not that advanced yet, feel free to inbox me anytime, of course. Now we're rendering it a bit. It's a lot of effects already, so yeah. All good, all good. Starts to look quite funny. Nothing really smooth yet, so let's add some lights to make it look a bit more like realistic and entertaining. We just put an adjustment layer, and on there we put the light rays, and we put the center with key marks on the dash lights, or the front lights, the headlights. Holy shit. Yeah, so we're just following it. Put it as solo right now so that works a bit quicker, and let's see if it works. Yes, that works quite funny. And let me remind you again, I didn't know what I was doing when I was making this video. I was just tweaking around, hoping to get a nice video for you guys, and this is what came out. So I'm just making this and explaining y'all what I did, kind of. See, as you can see, the perspective is not even really right, but for this video it works. Hopefully that didn't work. Alright, now we make a new composition, and in this composition we're gonna tweak it a bit. I think we're gonna add some different kind of effects, such as a wiggle, to make it look as if the car is a little bit bumpier, if the road is a bit bumpy, so it looks a bit more as if you're really in there. We add some vignette, some lumetri color for some nice lights. As you can see, it starts to come to life a lot already. Now we do a light leak layer. This is just a police layer, it's called, and we put it on top. We do it with overlay, and then we put the opacity a bit down. As you can see, it gives a really nice effect. Also, back to the camera again, I forgot to put the smooth movement in there, the fade ins, you know. Don't forget the fade ins and the motion blurs, really. Fade in, motion blur, both so important. Now we just have this green screen layer, some smoke. We reverse it, put it in there, layer it. Yes, starts to look very, very, very tight already. I think we're almost there, really. Let's see. Add some more wiggle moments where it's just buzzing a bit. That's it. Simple. Add some optics compensation in and out just to give the video a little bit more dynamic movement. Whoop. Some displacement map to make it look as if it's hot. The heat coming from the wheels, you know. It's just all these little things that make this scene come to life, and that's what you need when you just work with this basic ass footage. Everything is super basic, so yeah. Imagine if you do it with good stuff though, then it can look really, really great. If you put a bit more time and effort in it, then it can look really, really cool and awesome. If you can do this with a basic picture already, you can see it's quite cool how you can do that with a like just a picture and some JPEGs and all that. PNGs, my bad. So yeah, I think we're quite there. Try a light leak, but that doesn't work because the whole layer, well, whatever. I was trying to fix the car a little bit, but this is really something I found out. You have to do it in a separate composition to make the car in a separate composition, like a video. Like add all this footage on there and that's it, you know. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe. Hell yeah, making more tutorials soon, and see you guys soon. Much love.